So my amazing coach, Colette Portis, gave me an opportunity to present my signature information that I'm currently working on with Colette to the SHEBuilders tribe. And I'm so thankful for the opportunity because it allowed me to test out the information that I am about to launch to the SHEBuilders tribe to get their feedback. And it also allowed me to get out my comfort zone as a presenter. This is my first 2-hour workshop that I was so nervous about, and I'm so grateful for Colette because she saw the greatness in me and wanted and pushed me to share it with my tribe, the people who are here to build me up. And because of that support, I was able to give a well-received talk and got a lot of great feedback, and will be able to get better and improve so I can share it with the world. So I'm so thankful for Colette. I thank you so much for the opportunity because I wouldn't have had it without you. This opportunity to quickly take what I've learned and to apply it and see how it will be a valuable piece to my business and as a service. So I thank you.
When I tell you tips that I'm going to implement today in my business that have helped give me the clarity that I needed so that I can do the things I need to do and show up as my best and confident and make the kind of money I want to make. This was an invaluable experience.
I learned so much. It was so valuable. Things that I can literally implement and take and start immediately. I started already writing down an outline for a plan. I have a meeting on Monday that I really wasn't sure how I was going to go about it. I wasn't going to wing it, but I didn't know what area I was going to steer the conversation to. Literally just got that 5 minutes ago. But everything from the beginning, everything was amazing.